everybody, Danny here. Well, by golly, let's head on over to easel. Let's paint a tree and get some foreground put in, okay? We're going to start to push that that boat and all of those structures a little bit further back. So, I'll meet you over at the easel. Come on, let's go and paint. Okay, let's start over here. Let's put some brown over here, okay? Just a little bit. Just a little bit, right there, okay? And then we're actually going to pull some across here, okay? Because what we're going to do is we are going to take this painting and we're going to push this a little further in the background, okay? So we got our brown. There we go. We're in good shape. Now we're gonna paint a tree here, okay? As soon as I get this brush to operate, right? Okay. Sun's coming this way, so this is the dark side of it. We'll take it right down here into the brown so it can just mush itself out. Okay, we'll just paint some dark stuff right around in there like that. Now, we're going to come in to some brighter, more colorful stuff. We're going to put it there like that. Just like that. Do a little scrape. Another little scrape. Scrape, 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 like that. We'll pretend that that's a tree. Okay, we'll put some stuff there. Now, we're going to get into our scrubby brush. You remember him, okay? And we're just going to pull some stuff up right around in here, just like that. Let me get into some paint here, just like that. We'll just pull some greenery up. Okay, we'll shoot a little greenery there, and now all of a sudden, all of this other stuff has gone to the back. Okay, I can go under with my finger and I can actually scrape some more up. See, just like that. Okay, now we've set that in the back. Tomorrow, what we're going to do is we'll do a little bit more work on the water and a little bit more work here. And we'll be able to call this done. So be with me tomorrow, okay? Be sure to like, subscribe, hit the link so you get all notifications. And remember that Ann and I love you. We love you. We love you. And there we go. By golly, we did a good job on that. So, tell you what, you'll be with me tomorrow, and we'll do a little bit more piddly-diddling around, and then we'll be able to call this series done, okay? Be sure to like, subscribe, follow. Hit that bell icon to get all notifications. Be sure you leave comments. That helps the algorithm. And remember that Ann and I love you. We love you, we love you, we love you. See you tomorrow.